Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the exercise 3.3 second question. Here, the question is, form a pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions by elimination method. Means, for the given below word problems, we have to form a pair of linear equations and find their solutions. Means the value of x or y or any variable. We want to find their solutions by elimination method. So here first problem is, if we add a 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2. If we only add 1 to denominator, what is fraction? Means if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction gives the result 1. After, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add a 1 to denominator. What is fraction? He asked what is fraction. Let us solve it. Let the numerator be x. I am taking the numerator x and the denominator be y. Denominator be y. So then the fraction is x by y. Understand now what he said here? If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So I am writing here, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So I am not writing that here. What they said, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, x plus 1 by, said subtract 1 from denominator, y minus 1 equals to what they said, a fraction reduces to 1 means equals to 1. Now I am doing here cross multiplication. It gives x plus 1 into 1, x plus 1 equals to y plus 1 into 1, y minus 1 into 1, y minus 1. I am going to transpose the y to the left side, then it becomes x minus y is equals to, at the same time I am going to transpose the plus 1 to the right side, then it becomes minus 1 minus 1. X minus y is equals to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. I am taking it as equation 1. After, what they said, it becomes 1 by 2. If we only add 1 to denominator, if we add only 1 to denominator, if we add only 1 to denominator, the fraction will be x by y plus 1. What they said, if we add only 1 to denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. So equals to 1 by 2. I am doing here again cross multiplication. 2 into x, 2x is equals to y plus 1 into 1, y plus 1. I am going to transpose the y to the left side, then it becomes 2x minus y equals to 1. I am considering it as equation 2. Now here we got the equation 1 and equation 2. Now I am going to do the subtract equation 2 from equation 1. We have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1, means equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, now here what is equation 1? X minus y equals to minus 2. Equation 2 is 2x minus y equals to plus 1. We said subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So let here symbols will be changed. It becomes minus, it becomes plus, it becomes minus. Plus y and minus y becomes cancel, and minus 2x plus x minus x equals to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Here minus and minus gets cancelled, therefore x equals to 3. So now substitute the value of x in equation 1. I am going to substitute the value of x that we got 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X minus y equals to minus 2. The value of x is 3. So 3 minus y is equals to minus 2. Call that. Minus y equals to minus 2. It becomes minus 3. So here minus y equals to minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Here same symbols gets cancelled, then it become y is equals to 5. Therefore y equals to 5. We got the value of x and y. What he asked in the last, what is the fraction? So therefore the fraction required is x by y equals to, what is the value of x? We got 3 by value of y 5. Therefore the fraction required is 3 by 5. Understand? Now we had completed the first problem. Now let us go to the second problem. Here the given second problem is 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Now let us solve it. Let the age of Nuri will be x. I am taking the age of Nuri x, and the age of Sonu will be y. I am taking the age of Sonu y. After what he gave 5 years ago, the Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Means I am writing here 5 years ago. 5 years ago. 5 years ago, the age of Nuri equals to x minus 5. Why? Means he said ago. After the age of Sonu equals to y minus 5. After what he said, Nuri was thrice as old as, means age of Nuri equals to 3 into age of Sonu. He said, no, ma, here Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. So, age of Nuri equals to 3 into age of Sonu. Age of Nuri is x minus 5 is equals to 3 into age of Sonu was y minus 5. So, I am doing here x minus 5 equals to 3 into y, 3y minus 3 5 are 15. I am going to transpose the plus 3y to the left side, then it becomes x minus 3y equals to minus 15. At the same time, I am going to transpose minus 5 to the right side, then it becomes plus 5. X minus 3y equals to minus 10. I am taking it as equation 1 after. So here we had completed the 5 years ago. After what he said 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So I am writing here 10 years later. The age of Nuri equals to becomes x plus 10. After the age of Sonu. The age of Sonu becomes y plus 10. After what he said, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So I am writing here the age of Nuri equals to 2 into age of Sonu. Here age of Nuri was x plus 10 equals 2 into age of Sonu was y plus 10. Here x plus 10 equals 2 into y, 2y plus 2 tens are 20. I am going to transpose the plus 10 to the right side and my plus 2y to the left side. Then it becomes x minus 2y equals to 20 minus 10. Then it becomes x minus 2y equals to 10. I am taking it as equation 2. Now, so here subtract equation 2 from equation 1. What is equation 1? X minus 3y equals to minus 10. X minus 3y equals to minus 10. After, what is equation 1? Sorry, what is equation 2? X minus 2y equals to plus 10. I said to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So, the symbols will be changed. It becomes minus, it becomes plus, and again it becomes minus. X and plus x and minus x gets cancelled. Minus 3y plus 2y minus y equals to minus 10 minus 10 minus 20. Here minus and minus gets cancelled. Therefore, we got y is equals to 20. After, now substitute the value of y in equation 1. I am going to substitute the value of y that we got 20 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X minus 3y equals to minus 10. X minus 3y equals to minus 10. What is the value? X minus what is the value of y? 20. So 3 into 20 equals to minus 10. X minus 320s are 60 equals to minus 10. I am going to transpose the minus 60 to the right side, then it becomes x equals to 60 minus 10. Therefore, we got x is equals to 50. So, I am writing here, therefore, the age of Nuri equals to, what is the age of Nuri without x? So the age of Nuri, what is the value of x? 50. So the age of Nuri is 50 years. After, therefore, again I am writing the age of Sonu is Y. Y is 20. So the age of Sonu is 20 years. So we had completed the second question. Now let's go to the third question. The third problem is the sum of digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. Find the number. He said the sum of two digits of a two-digit number is 9. After 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digit. Find the number. So let us solve it. Here I am taking that let the two-digit number be xy. I am taking the two-digit number xy. After given that what he gave, the sum of the sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. So I am writing that the sum of two numbers equals to 9. Means what are the numbers x and y? So x plus y equals to 9. I am considering it as equation 1. After also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digits. So here I am writing that 9 times this number means 9 into what is the number xy. After is equals to twice the number obtained by the reversing the order of digits. Twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digit. Reversing the order of digit means here it is xy. After reversing the order of digit, it becomes yx. So 2 into yx. So here 9 into y is there in 1's place and x is there in 10's place. So 10 into x, 10x plus y into 1, y is equals to, like that only, y is there in 10's place. So 10 into y, 10y plus x is there in first place. So 1 into x, x. So here I am multiplying that n into 10, 9 into 10x, 90x plus 9 into y, 9y equals 2 into 10y, 20y plus 2 into x, 2x. I am going to transpose these 20y and 2x to the left side. It becomes 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y. It becomes equals to 0. 90x minus 2x, 88x. Minus 20y plus 9y, it becomes minus 11y equals to 0. Here I am taking common 11. 11 into 8x, 88x. Plus into minus, minus 11 into y, 11y equals to 0. Then it becomes 8x minus y equals to 0. I am considering it as equation 2. Now, here I am adding equation 1 and equation 2. So what is equation 1? X plus y equals to 9. And what is equation 2? 8x minus y equals to 0. Here y and y gets cancelled because they are having opposite signs. After here 8x plus x, 9x is equals to 9 plus 0, 9. X is equals to 9 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. That implies we got x is equals to 1. Therefore, x is equals to 1. After, now substitute the value of x in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y equals to 9. So, x plus y equals to 9. What is the value of x? 1 plus y equals to 9. It becomes y is equals to 9 minus 1. Therefore, we got y is equals to 8. So, here we got the x and y. What is the two-digit number we thought? xy. So, therefore, the required two-digit number is xy. So, x is 1 and y is 8. So, the number is 18. So, we had completed the third problem. Now, let us go to the fourth problem. Fourth question is, Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 rupees and 100 rupees she received. A girl named Meena went to the bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier, who gives money, to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. By the cashier giving 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes, Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 rupees and 100 rupees she received. So, let us solve it. Here, let the number of 50 rupee notes equals to x. I take the 50 rupees notes as x and the number of 100 rupee notes equals to y. I took the number of 50 rupee notes as x and the number of 100 rupee notes y. So, given that what he gave, the total notes she got in all is 25 notes. So I am writing that x 50 rupees notes are x and 100 rupee notes are y. So x plus y is equals to 25. I am taking it as equation 1. After 50 rupee notes, by withdrawing money, she got only 50 rupee notes and 100 rupee notes. So 50 into 50 rupee notes, what we think? X. So 50 into x, 50x plus 100 into y, 100y equals to 2000 rupees. I am taking this as equation 2. Now, multiply equation 1 by 50. I am multiplying the whole equation by 50. So, 50 into x plus y equals to 25. So, here 50 into x, 50x plus 50 into y, 50y is equal to 50 into 25, 1250. I am considering it as equation 3. So, I am doing here subtract equation 3 from equation 2. What is equation 2? 50x plus 100y equals to 2000. After, what is equation 3? 50x plus 50y equals to 1250. So they said subtract, so we have to change the symbols for the operation. It becomes minus, it also become minus. 50x and 50x gets cancelled. 100y minus 50y becomes 50y equals to 2000 minus 1250, 750. So y is equals to 750 by 50. Here 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 15s are. Therefore we got y is equals to 15. Now substitute the value of y in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y equals to 25. So x plus y equals to 25. What is y? 15. So x plus 15 equals to 25. X is equals to 25 minus 15. So it becomes x is equals to 10. Therefore we got x is equals to 10. So now, therefore the number of ₹50 notes equals to what we thought, that the number of ₹50 notes x. So the number of ₹50 notes equals to x means 10. After, the number of, therefore the number of ₹100 notes equals to the number of ₹100 notes are y. So the number of ₹100 notes are 15. The number of ₹50 notes that we got are 10 and the number of ₹100 notes are 15. She received. So we had completed the fourth question. Now let us go to the fifth question. The fifth question is, a learning library has a fixed charge for first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid ₹27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid ₹21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Let us solve it. What they said to find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So let the fixed charge for 3 days. The fixed charge for 3 days equals to x, and after the cost of charge for each extra day equals to, I am taking that y. Understand? Now what they said, Sarita paid ₹27 for a book kept for 7 days. So Sarita, here I am writing that, given that Sarita paid ₹27 for a book kept for 7 days. Sarita paid ₹27 to the learning library for a book kept for 7 days. So here x plus what they said, the fixed charge for 3 days is x. So Remove the 3 days from the 7 days. So 4 days. So 4 into y, 4y is equals to 27. I am taking that as equation 1. After, while Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. While Susie paid 21 rupees for a book kept for 5 days. So, while Susie paid 21 rupees for a book kept for 5 days. So, x plus, remove the 3 days from 5 days. 2 days, 2 into y, 2y is equals to 21 rupees. I am taking it as equation 2. Now, subtract equation 2 from equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus 4y equals to 27 and x plus 2y is equals to 21. I said subtract, so change the symbols. It becomes minus. X and x gets cancelled. 4y minus 2y, 2y is equals to 27 minus 21, 6. Y is equals to 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are equals to 3. Therefore, we got y is equals to 3. So now substitute the value of y in equation 2. I am going to substitute the value of y that we got 3 in equation 2. Equation 2 is x plus 2y equals to 21. Here the value of y is 3. X plus 2 into 3 equals to 21. X is equals to, I am going to transpose the 6 to 3 6 to the right side, then it becomes 21 minus 6. Therefore, we got x is equals to 18. So here 21 minus 6 is 15. So we got the value of x is 15. So we got the value of y and the value of x. So therefore, the fixed charge equals to 15 rupees. The fixed charge is 15 rupees. Why means we thought that as x, so the fixed charge is x. After, the charge for each extra day. The charge for each extra day was, we thought that as y. So the charge for each extra day is 3 rupees. So we had completed this exercise and this chapter. In next video, I will explain the introduction of the chapter 4 quadratic equations. For more updates, please subscribe my channel, please like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.